how to link Amazon Storefront to TikTok. To get started, you first need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. Then you will be taken to this home page. From here, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you need to tap on the 3 bars at the top right corner. After that, you need to select the settings and privacy option. Once you're on this page, go to Account. Then tap on the Switch to Business Account option. Then keep tapping on the next button until you get to this category page. Select a category of your business and tap onto the next button. Skip adding email. Congrats. You have successfully registered for a business account. Now hit backspace twice and get back to your profile page. Once you're here, go to Edit Profile. After that, tap onto this Links option. Then tap on Website. Once you're on this page, paste the link of your Amazon storefront and hit the Save button at the top right corner. So by following these steps, you can easily link Amazon storefront to TikTok.